Vaccine maker Bharat Biotech on Wednesday said the Central Drug Standard Control Organization has approved the extension of shelf life of its COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, up to 12 months from the date of manufacture. Bharat Biotech was initially given permission for the sale and distribution of Covaxin with a shelf life of 6 months, which was later extended to 9 months, a company spokesperson told PTI. The CDSCO has approved the extension of shelf life of Covaxin up to 12 months from the date of manufacture. This approval of shelf life extension is based on the availability of additional stability data, which was submitted to CDSCO, Bharat Biotech said in a tweet. The shelf life extension has been communicated to our stakeholders, it added. The approval for the extension of shelf life of the vaccine comes ahead of crucial World Health Organization meeting for a final risk-benefit assessment of the emergency use listing for the vaccine. The WHO's Technical Advisory Group for EUL last week had sought additional clarifications from Bharat Biotech for Covaxin.